Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix please try again later. A temporary problem occurred when trying to complete your request on Facebook payment method. If you are using Facebook and you're trying to add a payment method into your Facebook account, but you're facing an issue that whenever you try to add your payment method, you see a message that a temporary problem has occurred. So let's see how can you easily fix this error. So the very first thing is that you have to double check your network that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back from here, open your app store here, search for Facebook, and you have to check for updates for your Facebook app. So find any pending updates here. Try to update your app, and after updating, go back from here and you have to open your settings app for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here, tap and transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It should reset all of your network settings, will not delete any kind of your data, so you need to try this, and after that your issue must be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, you just have to go back, and here's the only way to fix the issue. You have to tap on this iPhone storage option, look for Facebook app, and you have to tap on offload app and try to offload your app. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.